Welcome to NFS Auto Repair, formerly known as Gill's Auto Shop. At NFS Sudbury Auto Repair, our mission is clear: to provide you with top-tier vehicle services and tire maintenance. We're not just an auto repair shop, we're your partners in ensuring your vehicle's safety and optimal performance. Our skilled technicians are dedicated to delivering precision and expertise in every service we offer. From tire rotations and custom tire installations to oil changes and comprehensive diagnostics, we've got all your automotive needs covered. But it's not just about what we do, it's about how we do it. Our core values drive everything we do. We pride ourselves on providing quality service with customer-centric approach. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our expertise and innovation ensures your vehicle gets the best care possible, all while upholding the highest standards of integrity. But there's more exciting news at NFS Auto Repair, introducing our new specialty service, fleet maintenance. Whether you manage a small fleet or a large one, our dedicated fleet maintenance service is here to keep your vehicles running smoothly. From routine maintenance to specialized fleet services, trust NFS Auto Repair to keep your fleet on the road where it belongs.
Our business relies on a reliable fleet. NFS Auto Repair has been instrumental in keeping our vehicles in top condition. Their fleet maintenance service is second to none.
But that's not all. At NFS Sudbury Auto Repair, we understand the value of your time. That's why we proudly offer same-day service on many of our essential automotive services. From tire rotations to oil changes, our commitment to efficiency means you can get back on the road the same day, ensuring minimal disruption to your busy schedule. Trust, reliability, and commitment to your satisfaction. That's the NFS Sudbury Auto Repair promise. Come experience the difference. Visit us today.